Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how I train my daughter to sit on her own. So, in order for your baby to sit on her own, you will first need to train their muscles. So to do that, how we do that is to give them tummy time. So for little May, I've been giving her tummy time since she was about a month old or so. So starting is about somewhere close to 5 minutes, and then progressively we increase the time. So how do you know how long you can give your baby tummy time? So that is to check that your baby is okay with tummy time. So if they are not okay, they'll be fussy and they will start making a lot of noise. So if they are okay with tummy time, they will be okay. So you see little May, she's now 6 months, close to 7, so she's quite strong. She can use her arms to lift herself up, and then her knees as well. So starting she couldn't, and then to train her for tummy time, what we do is we little May is not cooperating now. She's pulling the cloth. So what we do is we hold her arms, and then we cross her arms in front of her. So she's independent now. So she likes to show off. Okay, so we do this. We put her arms together. So something like this. If you can see, we put her arms up. Okay, let me do it a bit here. So we do this. We cross her arms in front like this to give her tummy time. Okay. So starting we did that. Then we keep training her. So you can see her neck is quite strong now. She can keep her head up. So this is a sign that if your baby can keep their head up for significant amount of time, it means that their neck is strong enough. So the next thing, once your baby can do this, so for little May is about 6 months. So when she's 6 months old, she was able to hold her neck up pretty well, and then we thought that it's a good time for her to progress to sitting. So for sitting, here's what we do. Starting, she will need to train her muscles, so she will not be stable. So what we do is, I'll shift a bit because I'm a little heavy. She tend to lean backwards. So what we do, bring little May, let her sit, and then let her cross her legs, so that it's more stable when she cross her legs. And then put her arms in front, so that she can use her arms to support herself, to prevent herself from falling down. She'll try to extend the legs, and then but you can just cross them and then help her support. So for a start, that is how she started learning how to sit. So once she's a bit stronger, like now, she's been sitting for 2 to 3 weeks. She's quite strong now. She can balance, and then she'll be able to sit pretty long time on her own. So don't worry if your baby can't do it at 6 months. Some babies tend to be faster than others, maybe even 4 months and so. And some babies are a bit slower. That's okay, as long as within a 9 months they can sit. It's okay. Always be around to support them, and if they try to shift sideways, maybe you can get a little toy, then put it in front, so that you get their attention. So when you put them to sit, you lean them forward to support themselves. They will try to reach out for a toy, and then won't be distracted to the sides where they might lose balance. So I'll also show you a little more some other videos that I have of little May when we tried to teach her how to sit for the first time. Those were the first few days of her learning how to sit. You'll see that she's a bit unbalanced, and then tends to fall over to the side. Daisy learn to sit. Ayah. Okay. So this is how you can train your baby to sit. Oh. Speak saliva, that's okay. Babies are like this. She's okay. So I hope this video helps you in training your baby. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you found my video on how to train your baby to sit helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them down in the comments section below, and I would love to hear about your baby's development journey. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye. Tell me, say bye bye. Bye bye. Look at the camera. Bye bye. Bye bye.